Bubuksan ba o itatago pang habang buhay? Here we go again. I'm Michael.
And Ray,
And we're going
gonna
to open some
Test and Rivalry. We bought this in what again?
Toys R Us.
Toys R Us.
So,
New
yan.
restock. It was a new restock.
It's we already bought 4, 8. No, 4. This is our 8. This is our 8 packs. From the 4 packs, may dalawa kaming no. 8 packs nakabili tayo. Ilan ba? Hindi ko malala.
We bought 4 of 4.
Oh yeah, we have 8 packs and this is our 12 pack. So 2 packs kasi per customer na bili namin, and out of that 8 packs, 2 hits lang, and nakakuha kami ng isang pack na nag-iisang pack. So ito, bubuksan natin ang Destined Rivals, Scarlet and Violet.
We need to fight again.
Yeah. And sabi
4
nila,
of 4.
this will be the last set para sa Scarlet and Violet. At papasok na tayo sa White Bolt and Black, yung bago Japanese set, yung White and Black.
Japanese.
Oo, pero siyempre hindi pa na alam
Set?
kung kailan dadating sa atin sa Pilipinas yung English set. So, ito na. Ay, ba to? So, we have 4 packs each. Tatlong artwork lang, hindi tayo apat na artwork. So, you choose 2 and I'll choose 2. And we're going to battle and see who has the better cards. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng sleeves. At para makita nyo lang, ay ito po. Nandito yung aming binders from Sword and Shield era, X and Y, and
Make them look
yeah,
at
X
the
and Y.
ETVs. Make them
Tapos
look at
dito
the
sa baba,
ETVs.
meron din po One Piece, mga marami pa, One Piece and Pokemon and Magic the Gathering and Yu-Gi-Oh!
How about the ETVs?
And syempre meron kaming mga sealed collection, mga sealed boxes, sealed ETBs. Sealed lang kasi mixed collector kami. We are sealed collectors and open collectors. So, let's see. Let's
Me
find out.
first, me
Sige,
first.
you first.
I'll pick around
Tingnan natin. Sensya nyo na makalat ang ating studio ba tawag natin dito? Office na lang. Office.
No, open. Game room.
So, ulitin natin. Bubuksan ba o itatago pang habang buhay? Is it worth opening or not? Pero syempre, worth it siya kasi new set. Syempre, ito, mga One Piece namin to. Wait lang. Okay, wait. Hanapin ko lang yung
Hey.
Wait. Ito ba yun? Ano
No.
ba yung natin?
It's the little person. Could I start opening now?
Yeah, I think hinanap ko lang
Here.
yung ating binder. I think
More
tama.
back ko. Or it looks like Pikachu.
Scarlet Destined Rivals. Okay, ito yung aming set.
Team
Master
Rocket,
set.
Labitar.
8 packs na open namin dito, 2 hits lang. And now we're opening our another
Team
4
Rocket,
packs.
Blig Blog.
Dami-dami pa kasi 8 pa lang.
Pokédedal. Or Snow Bear. Snow Bear.
Ito yung mga dupes.
Hey, Evolution.
So,
Abmaster Snow. Abmaster Snow. Look, Evolution. Judge. I'm gonna judge what we get here.
hopefully something good.
Fortress.
Hindi makita, mandilim.
Fortress.
Baba ka para makita ka.
Great Wall of China.
Reverse.
Reversal Hippodo or Hippo. Oh, okay. Reversal Misty Lapras.
Okay. Wala. Bago yan. Oh, Zapdos.
Team
We already have Zapdos.
And what energy do we get? Guess.
Dapat tayo
And it's
mag-guess.
Fire.
You do that card trick. Ako gagawa ng card trick. Sige. My first pack in this
I'm
battle.
gonna open this so it could be fast.
Ay, sira. Sayang.
Lagot ka.
Ako, hindi na magagamit. Alright. Okay, one card, no? O, yan. Guess the energy. Energy ko is lightning. Oh, metal energy. Okay, tingnan natin. Dolive. Cinchas Gabite. Ethan Squilava. Team Rockets ni Dorina. Stevens Metang. Team Rockets Nido Queen. Oh, pwede na tayo mag-ano. Arvin Sandwich. Reverse Halo Torchic. Reverse Halo Arvin Sandwich. And, let's see. Regular. Hydrapol. Regular rare.
So I already opened mine, so it could be faster. And we got a Chancellor or Spider. Transtuta or like that. Transtuta or like that. Hey! Misty's Magic Carp. Magic Carp. Ooh! Titan's Pichu.
Oy, bago yan. Bago tayo papasok.
Taurus.
So far, two packs
Real
open.
Mass or Gapapaka
Dapat
2.
tinago na lang habang buhay.
Hey,
Redemption
hey.
time, redemption time.
Team Rocket Governor, we need the rare one.
Come on.
Alternate or
Come on, redemption time.
Hey, new one. Arcanine, I think. Arcanine is rare. New, right? Is Arcanine new?
Let's
Reverse
see.
Hollow Drebler.
Redemption time. Give something good.
Reverse Hollow
Please,
Untail.
Misty Psyduck, IR. Oh.
Oh! EX!
Yay!
Yaba CX!
It's-
Yaba CX!
Yeah, it's a hit. It's a
And
hit.
what was the energy, guys?
Ikaw dapat mag-ano.
And
Ikaw mag... So our
Naman.
first hit from the 4 packs
nice.
are on our third pack.
I want to
Okay.
keep.
Sige. Last pack magic. Ang chase ko kasi dito is Misty Psyduck illustration rare.
And
Which
the
is
Mewtwo.
actually hindi yun ang ano ko eh. Hindi yun ang habol ko. But best of luck sa mga nakakuha. Congratulations. Sana makuha ko rin yung chase card ko. Ang hirap maghanap. Ang hirap maghanap ng packs. Kasi inuubos ng bots, inuubos ng scalpers. Kaya ang hirap bumili ng packs. Ay. Okay, guess the energy. Energy is
No,
ano sa'yo?
you pick. Shake it.
Leaf. Yay! Yeah. Alright. Leaf. Nose pass.
No.
Team Rockets Raticate. Arukuda. Dapat pala meron tayong camera nakatutok lang dito.
Oh yeah.
Arvin's Matchief. Mudsdale. Mudsdale. Team Rocket Orbital. Team Rocket Proton. Marnis Morpeko. Reverse Halo Stevens Baltoy. Is that it? Oh man! Oh! We shit it! Dapat, hindi pala pwedeng gamitin yun kasi makaka-copyright tayo. Dapat, tinago na lang natin pang habang
I want to make a new
buhay.
line. Ito na ba yung hit or heartbreak ko?
Ito na ba yung hit or heartbreak lang ulit? Well, it's a heartbreak. Out of 4 packs, isa lang ang hit. So, out of the 12 packs we have opened, we only have 3 hits. But, well, good luck. Happy hunting. Keep smiling. Keep enjoying life. Keep on hunting and keep enjoying life. So, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And we just opened some Pokemon cards,
Destined
Destined Rivals. So, bye-bye. See you next time.